Well, as we've heard, in Australia, the current guidelines recommend pregnant women avoid alcohol. But should that advice be changed? Absolutely not, according to Professor Ian Hickie, the director of the Brain and Mind Research Institute.
No, I think this is one study which has equivocal findings. I think if you look at the whole rest of the world literature on the adverse effects, the toxic effects of alcohol on brain cells and on health generally, there's no reason to change the guidelines.
But this research from the UK suggests that when these children reached the age of 5, they actually performed better and were less likely to have behavioural problems than children of non-drinkers. Does that mean that alcohol can actually benefit unborn babies?
I think, again, if you look at all the evidence available, that is highly unlikely. In this study, we're talking about women who used a very small amount of alcohol compared with others. They are women who are likely to have had other health benefits, and I think it's very unlikely that alcohol accounts for those findings. I think it's something everyone would love to believe, particularly in Australia where we're so attached to our alcohol drinking, but I think the reality is that's very unlikely to be the case.
So what are you saying? Would it in fact be dangerous to change the current advice, particularly if there's confusion over what a standard drink actually is?
These studies in no way demonstrate what is safe drinking for pregnant women. So I think it would be extremely dangerous to think about changing the guidelines at this stage. I think the rest of the evidence accumulated over several decades suggests that low levels of drinking are harmful for pregnant women, and certainly if we look at brain development in particular, we would strongly be recommending that women avoid alcohol as much as possible while they're pregnant.
Professor Ian Hickie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.